Okay everyone, hello and welcome to Janky Cooking with Jessie. Tonight it's dinner time and we are making one of my favorite recipes in the world, which is chicken and dumpling. I have never actually made it using the Thermomix, and I don't make it often because I always think it's just a pain. So let's get started and see how we do. I already lined our varoma tray with parchment paper. This is our varoma tray. It's actually a steamer basket, and then you can see there. And then we have the parchment paper. Go to our next step. We're going to skip the parsley because, you know, shelter in place, I don't have any. So we'll just go with what we have. We'll skip that step. This is a nice thing. You can skip if you don't have it. Okay, let's start. 6.5 ounces of all-purpose flour, it says. Oh, that's not very much, actually. Let's see. Let's see how big of a mess I make today. Whoops. 6.8, 6.7. Let's reach that hand in there and see if we can make it a better number. 6.5. Yay! Okay, we made a mess again. Okay. I can't even blame the kids today because my husband took them downstairs. Okay, now we need 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon fine sea salt. Okay, and I actually already measured that. Let you look in there while I get ready to dump it in. And then we're gonna, whoops, throw in the butter. And it's calling for 1 ounce of unsalted butter. Whoops. We're close. We're at 1.2. Then it wants us to put the lid on. See, this is so easy. Literally anybody can do it, which is nice for me. Here we go. Whoops. Okay. Now we need to add to that 2 ounces of whole milk. Let's see. We'll use our little whole. Sometimes I use the whole, sometimes I don't. Oh no, I forgot to hit tare, guys. Let's hit tare. I think I already put it an ounce. Let's see. Maybe slightly under an ounce I put in. We'll do 1.5 ounces because I'm not sure how much I put in. Okay, next we're going to do 1 large egg. If it looks too dry, we can always add in more milk later, right? It's easier to add milk than to subtract it. We're going to knead it now. Let's take a look. Okay, that's exciting. Okay, so that step is done, and now we're going to scoop out 18 balls of dough. 1 level tablespoon each. Let's check the... Oh, yeah, I didn't add in enough milk, guys. What are we going to do? We're just going to add in a bit more milk, not too much, and I'll go back and do it some more. Okay, as you can see, the dough turned out great after I added that extra milk. I ran a pre-clean cycle on my Thermomix, and while it cleaned the bowl out, I actually formed the 18 dumplings it wanted me to make. So now we'll move to the next step. It wants 4 ounces of yellow onion quartered. So I just chopped off some chunks of onion. And this might be too much. Let's see. Oh, perfect. Okay, that was great. Let's see. 2.5 ounces of celery cut into pieces. 2-inch pieces. Whoa, that's a lot of celery, I guess. Let's take that much out. Good. 1 ounce of olive oil, which I forgot to set to the side. Okay, the oil is in. So our next step, 3 teaspoons of chicken stock paste, which I also forgot to set out. Okay, that's added in. It was kind of crazy before this video. The kids were nuts. Okay, so I'm going to put the lid on, as usual, and speed selector 5 for 5 seconds. Then we're supposed to scrape down the sides with a spatula. Oh, okay, you can see I just scraped down the sides, and that is a mess, but it did a good job. Next, we are going to cook this for 5 minutes at speed 1. Speed 1 is slow too, check it out. Well, I guess it's not that slow. Wow, it's steamy in there. Wants this to put this lid back on, our measuring cup lid. And then 5 seconds on speed 4. Oh, it's going crazy. Okay, next we're going to add the steamed dumplings, it says. Oh, this should be exciting. Oh, look at that. That looks tasty. Okay, so the last step was to add the steamed dumplings and parsley if you're using it to your soup and stir it with your spatula. I decided to put it in this container I got from Thermomix that actually keeps things hot for up to 2 hours because it's less, I don't know, it's just easier for me to deal with for serving, so I decided to do that right at once. As you can see, it has to rest 3 to 5 minutes, and then it's time for dinner. Thank you everyone for watching. Please like and subscribe if you liked my video. I appreciate having this distraction while I'm staying home, and I hope you are going to have a delicious dinner as well. Take care.